morning, good morning, good morning. Update lang natin yung ating project na aka Evo 3. So nandito ngayon, binaklas na pala nila yung dashboard. So makahilo. So could just imagine paano mo ibabalik yan. But alhamdulillah, thank you so much. No, kina Bro, Alvin and Delton. Finally makita na natin kung saan yung problema. So stick around and siguro i-update lang namin kayo in after 2 years. 2 years, idol, imagine ko. Anyway, ganyan lang talaga, no? Dahan-dahanan lang natin ito. Dahan-dahanin, okay? Alright, so good morning everyone. Have a nice day. It's Wednesday. 4G93 skeleton. So dual overhead cam, 16 valve. So this engine was used in Mitsubishi Satria, Photon Wira, and marami pang mga RBR na ginamit din, and Pajero i10. So it's quite challenging, but it's achievable. In as soon as time, we will put back this guy on the road.